OpenSea is without a doubt the most successful and popular NFT platform in existence today. If you want to get hold of an ape or a punk, then this is the place to do it. If you're an artist and you want to create a whole new NFT drop, then this is the place where you'll get the most traction too. In this video, we'll look at how to use OpenSea for minting and trading NFTs. I'll show you how to link up your Metamask wallet, which is vital if you actually want to trade on OpenSea. And I'll go through the ways we can set up or trade in auctions using Ethereum and some of the other methods like using the Polygon blockchain on OpenSea as well. The blockchain bit is quite complex, so I'll go through it step by step. And if you need to watch a section again, just use the timestamps in the description and the other helpful videos on MetaMask and Polygon down there that should fill in any gaps. Firstly, a quick overview of OpenSea, what it's about and what it does. OpenSea is an Ethereum-based peer-to-peer marketplace where you can buy, mint, sell and auction NFTs, and you'll need Ether coins if you want to do anything in OpenSea to pay for your gas and other fees. OpenSea is actually by far the largest gas consumer on Ethereum, and it's also the largest NFT marketplace, currently with 24-hour volume of around $100 million traded. You can trade art, music, domain names, and other collectibles on OpenSea as long as they've been minted on or transferred to the Ethereum blockchain or Polygon sidechain as well. So if there's an NFT that is based on a blockchain apart from these two, and the third one that's supported by OpenSea that no one uses anyway, you won't be able to trade it. However, in the future, OpenSea may add support for more blockchains, so definitely watch out for that. You can choose which NFT category to browse, as well as the blockchain that the NFT is hosted on, and you can also browse NFTs from specific collections like CryptoPunks, Bored Apes, and Mutant Apes. Watch the extra videos down in the description too if you need specific help setting up Polygon and Ethereum wallets. I'm James with MoneyCG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.